Channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. Today is a beautiful little Monday. Just wanted to follow up on Saturday's live stream we've been talking about over the last few months, and that is if we broke, and here's what we have been talking about over the last few months. If we broke 46,000 with a daily candle above 46,000, that would give us a measure move, a technical target off this ascending triangle up to 50 to 52,000. And guess what? That is still in play. And I would say it is in play as long as Bitcoin is closing dailies above 44,000. I'm looking for that target to get hit. That's roughly 13% higher than we're at today. So we got validation above 46,000 and target of 52. Or 50 to 52, and the downside target anywhere below 44. I'm probably going to get back down to the bottom side of this ascending triangle. That is not what I'm looking to happen. Why? Based on the 5-day. The 5-day more powerful time frame did just confirm with a higher high yesterday, and we got momentum to the upside. We've got volatility exploding from a very low level. And the last, few times volatility's gotten this low, Bitcoin has done no less than a 45% move. And from when we had been tracking this, 45% to the upside from this guy right here is actually somewhere deeper, around 60,000. And then to the downside, 45% to the downside from this guy is coming in a bit lower. Where's 45%? That's taking us way down to about 20,000, 25,000. So anyways, momentum is to the upside. We got the RSI getting out of the bearish control zone for the first time in a very long time. And how did the weekly closure come? Here's what I would say. What we don't want to see is any kind of a weekly closure back below this guy right here at 44,200. Again, that 44,000 number is going to be a critical level for Bitcoin to hold and for this whole formation to play out. In the meantime, what's happening right now as Bitcoin is kind of consolidating on the daily time frame. Again, the daily range is right here. The daily range between 44.5 and 48,000 to the upside. Any kind of a break of that range is going to result, in my opinion, to our next target to the upside or a target back, the daily time frame to the downside. If we break that wick to the low, 44 down to 41.8. There's a lot of volatility in the market right now, a lot of leverage in the market. So I think we are going to see some big ups and downs. And what does that do? It gives our altcoins a chance to run. And we did have a target over the weekend of 118. I said, hey, look, I'll front rent that and sell probably about 117. Not a bad play. And we just came back down and tested the 9 exponential. My overall target for Luna is going to be 138 to 140, that blue box up there. And it looks like a green box at the moment, but where am I getting that from? If you just measure from there to there, and you can see it's coming in right there at, call it 135, the 2618 fib. So that is in general the target I'm looking to get hit. Can we get tests back down to $100? Absolutely. Where does this move get invalidated? Any kind of a daily closure back below, I would even say back below 95, 96 bucks. I'd be looking for this thing to keel over and at least come back to the green 55, if not lower, probably the 618 here at $80. Okay, that's it for Luna. I'm going to follow up on Adam. We've been following this guy and saying, hey, look, any kind of a daily closure back above 3161, which we got yesterday, very likely gets us a shot up to about 37 to $40. That looks like it's in play. Where does it get invalidated? Any kind of a daily closure back below 29.50, or call it 29.25, and I'd say that move gets invalidated. Comp, another one we've been keeping an eye on, getting the silver cross on the daily here. Momentum is pretty much at 100 percentile. Can get a little bit higher. but I would suspect we probably cool off and consolidate a little bit before this one rips and roars any higher. But my eventual target on this one here is playing out from this little, let's see. Yeah, so my short-term target's about 180 on this one. If we can get above 180, the next target, I'm going to target a move up to the purple 200 at 208 and probably 234 over time. That could happen over the next few weeks or months, or as Bitcoin probably takes the first leg up to 50 to 52,000. And then what happens is the altcoins follow, right? So Bitcoin takes the first leg, and then Ethereum, and then the rest of the altcoins follow. Another one I wanted to follow up on here was what else? Solana, really popular, the Ethereum killer, whatever they want to call it. And look, this guy just hit a target at 140. Let's see where that was coming in off of this retracement. So almost to a T, right? We almost got up to 146. That's kind of the target. Close enough is close enough. Coming back to test the support. And I would say this one is a move in progress up to about 187, as long as we are closing dailies above 106. So that doesn't help very much. There's going to be a lot of volatility, but this one, really got wrecked, absolutely wrecked. But, putting in, it doesn't even look like higher lows. What about on the weekly? Well, I would say that is a higher low than this low back here. So, where's the technical target off of this guy? Look, the big question is who's going to hit $200 first? Matic, Solana, or Luna? And Matic's been on the weaker side, but a strong one over the past few years. I like Matic. I think it's definitely got to run up for some higher prices at some point. But what we don't want to see on the daily time frame is any kind of a daily closure back below 155. Very likely is going to get you a lengthy move down, at least to about 144. To the upside, the next target on this one is going to be like this. Any kind of a daily closure above 175 very likely gets you up to about 185, this last high over here. So again, an invalidation, comes with any kind of a daily closure back below 156 or 155. That's it for today, guys. I'm wishing you all well. I'm heading out to Bitcoin Miami. I wanted to do a quick video. I'm trying to get this software up and running. Hopefully you guys are having a great, wonderful start to your week. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our staff while I'm gone, and they will be in the office. All right. Take care. Have a blessed day.